So this question was asked in UPSC CSAT 2024 from time and work topic. This question can be of moderate difficulty level. Let us read this and see how can we solve this problem. It says that a certain number of men can complete a piece of work in 6k days, where k is a natural number. By what percent should the number of men be increased so that the work can be completed in 5k days? Please understand this. So how many days? Previously, certain number of men, and the number of men is not given to you in the problem. Certain number of men could finish this work in 6k days, right? Now the problem says that this has to be done in 5k days. So by what fraction number of days is getting decreased? So previously 6k minus 5k, it is k over 6k. The number of days is reducing by 1 by 6, right? Now we do not know how many men are involved, right? But we know for sure that work can be, as per the concept of man days, work is called men into days, and the work is going to be completed any which way. And please understand this, when number of days are decreasing, obviously number of men will have to increase if the work is to be completed. Now number of days is reducing by 1 by 6, by fraction 1 by 6 it is reducing. So by what fraction this one will have to increase? This one will have to increase by 1 by 5. So please know that if a variable decreases by 1 by n, the other variable will have to increase by 1 upon n minus 1, provided the outcome, the product of these two variables will have to be constant. अब यहाँ पे what is that we are having? The any which way the work is to be completed. If number of men will have to increase by 1 by 5, 1 by 5, if you convert this into percentage, what are you going to be getting? 20%. So what is your option? Option number C. Isn't it simple? If you know this concept, probably by the time you will be finishing reading this problem, the problem will be done, isn't it? Now, if you do not understand this method, can you not solve this problem? Yes, you can do that. Any problem can be solved by using common sense. Let us see what is that commonsensical method, and please compare these two methods that we are doing over here. My second method is this. How many men I should take? We should take, say for example, days. First of all, how many days? 6k days. So I'm gonna take k as 1. The work is getting completed in 6 days. Now how many men are there? Let us assume certain number of men. How many men? I'm gonna assume 5 men. You can take 1 man, two men, 10 men. The problem can be done. So I have taken 5 men and 1 man. For my understanding, 1 man does 1 unit of work. So how many men we have employed? We have employed 5 men. 5 men will be doing 5 units per day. So what is going to be the total work? If you are doing 5 units per day, and how many days we are having? 6 days. What is going to be the total unit of work? It is coming out as 30 units. So now we know the quantum of work, that is 30 units, isn't it? Now what are we going to do with this? Please understand. In the second scenario, it says that days will have to reduce. Now it is 5k and we have taken the value of k as 1. So days will become 5. समझ में आया आपको? How many men we should take? मेरे को पता नहीं है. So that is what we need to find out. X men. And it says that any which way work will have to be 30 units, right? Now we have X men. 1 man does 1 unit of work. So X men will be doing X units of work. So X units per day into how many days? 5 days. So what is going to be the total quantum of work? It is 5x units. And obviously work will have to be the same, isn't it? Work any which way will have to be the same. Over here it was 30 units. Now it is going to be 5x. So 5x is equal to 30. The value of x comes out as 6. What does this mean? So now we have, rather than 6 men, how many men are we having? We are having 6 men. So by what percent it is increasing? Please see this. It is increasing by 1 man, right? 1 man, not men. So what is the percentage? There is an increment of 1 man over 5 men into 100. What is this percentage we are getting, people? We are getting 20%. So can you simplify this problem? Yes. What is the method that we have used? It's a pretty simple method. What did I say? Once again, if you did not understand, please pay attention. What did I say? K I have taken as 1 because K is a natural number. Natural numbers always begin with 1. Then days 6 ho jayega, right? And then how many men are we employing? I said that take a number. You can take another number, but problem will be solved. I took 5 men and I assume that 1 man does 1 unit of work. So 5 men are going to be doing 5 units of work per day. How many days are we having? 6 days. So 6 into 5, the total work comes out as 30 days. Now the second part of problem says that the work will have to be completed in how many days? 5K. K we have taken as 1. So the work should be completed in 5 days now. How many men should be employed? Obviously, if you look at it, 30 by 5, I would have done 6. But then I assumed, for the sake of our convenience, because you're learning, I have taken X men. 1 man does 1 unit of work. So X men will be doing X units of work per day. So X into 5, that is going to be the total quantity of work. And that is nothing but 30. तो 30 किया इक्वेट की इसको 5x से, तो x की वैल्यू कितनी मिल गई हमारे को? 6. नाउ व्हाट इज दैट यू शुड बी डूइंग? पहले आपके पास में हाउ मेनी मेन यू हैड 5 men. नाउ हाउ मेनी मेन डू यू हैव? 6 men. बाय व्हाट फ्रैक्शन इट इज इंक्रीजिंग? इट इज इंक्रीजिंग बाय 1/5. इफ यू कन्वर्ट 1/5 into percentage, what is that? You should be getting 20%. Problem simplified हो गया. If you have understood this, please let us know in the comment section. And if you would like to prepare for UPSC CSAT with us, please call on this number and we will give you 3 free demos, right? Take care.